Today we're going to take a look at a very historic London church that possibly inspired the tiered wedding cake we see today. We are in the city of London, in the area of Fleet Street, to take a quick look at a very historic church called St. Bride's. Now, it is supposed that this church inspired a baker that was across the street that had a view of this church when he designed a tiered wedding cake in the style of what we would see today, where you have one layer and then it's biggest at the bottom, gets smaller as it goes up in the different tiers. So we'll get back here so we can get a good look at that portion of the church. And let's look up here at the top. And there you go. There it is. Alright, let's take a quick look on the inside. The inside here was rebuilt after it was bombed in World War II. Alright, we are now in the basement. And they have a museum set up down here. You can see a lot on the church's past. It has a long, rich history. There's been a Christian church here for the least 1,500 years. This being the 7th building on this same spot. The outside of the building is a Christopher Wren masterpiece. You might recognize that name. He is the man responsible for rebuilding much of London after the Great Fire of London. He was the right man in the right place at the right time, being a lead architect right after the entire city was destroyed, or most of the city, I should say. There was a crypt down here, and there were a lot of burials in underneath the church. Here's some of the surviving tombstones. And you can see where they've got it marked 11th century. So the different iterations of the church, some of the foundation remains of that. Here's a good example of the crypt area. I guess that would be a lead-lined casket, perhaps. Just wanted to take a quick stroll through there. Very historic church. Really neat to see. This is St. Bride's, Fleet Street, in the city of London. If you're in the area, come check it out.